Hey everyone, today we're doing a makeup tutorial slash get ready with me for this look here. So if you want to see this really pretty multi-chrome look using the Hela palette and some Terra cosmetics, multi-chromes, just keep watching. So today we're doing a get ready with me with the Hela palette because I've used this twice now, but I wanted to do a video with it for you guys. If you're wondering why I'm wearing gloves, they're for pain. They're to try to help. Simon, I am so sorry if you get like shaken, yeah, whatever, shaken, not stirred. So we're gonna be using this beauty today. I'm really excited. I'm honestly not sure what type of look I want to do because I also want to use the Terra Cosmetics multi-chromes that I got. So you guys have been wanting me to do a makeup tutorial for like ages, and I just haven't been up to one for the longest time, but finally today I'm like, I think I have enough space on my phone, so let's do this. I wanted to do a get ready with me, so that's what I'm doing. At least I'm doing a get ready with me until my fiance comes back with our cousin, because once they get back I might not talk. So honestly, there are so many beautiful shades. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Soot. It's like this purpley dark browny color. I think I'm gonna use that like on the outer corner to keep it deep. I'm gonna start with some darks and see how that goes, because that's how Katie, if my cat could quit doing this, which ironically Katie Cat Meow on Instagram, she usually starts with darks and then blends with the lighter shades, so I'm gonna try that. Record, no, I have no idea what I am doing, but you know, I know I want to do a half cut crease. Hi, bud. But besides that, I really don't know. I think I'm meeting my nephew today, so I don't want to do something too dark, you know? Like, I just kind of want it to be dark, like, right here. And then I'm going to kind of lighten it, I think, with, like, the pinks. And then maybe do green on the lower or something like that. I think the highest I want this goes, yeah, about, like, there, I would say. I wouldn't want it any more above my crease. I have hooded eyes. They're not like super horrible or anything. I do have actually quite a bit of lid space, which is interesting. Also, I'm a little, because of my paint, so ignore that. This brush is a little much for me right now. So basically, I'm just gonna blend the dark purple in about most of the way, but then the closer to the inner corner I get, the closer in, because I don't want to make my eyes too dark. I already don't even like that, but whatever, I'll deal with it. But yeah, I basically don't have a real plan. So I'm gonna take the hot pink in the palette and I'm gonna start using that to blend out the dark shade just along the edges of the outer corner. Y'all, this is gonna turn to a voiceover real fast. This heat in here is just unbearable to not have a fan on, but that's okay. I'm really excited. I don't like how that brush is kind of like giving me a tugging feeling. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush. As for brushes I use, most of them are Morphe, but you know, we're not going to talk about which collaboration I have because these are old brushes and one day I'll get new ones, but for now, we are now in the voiceover stage of this tutorial slash get ready with me. So basically I'm taking the darker pink and the lighter pink in the palette and basically blending it with the dark shade, and I'm just continuously blending, building up the shade and blending again. Honestly, I had no idea what I wanted to do with this look, but I knew I wanted it to be pretty blended, so I literally spend so much time blending. As you can see, I added more of the like lightest shade to kind of blend it better, and I think that worked out really well. I had no issues. Like, I spent a long time blending. You can see, like, I brought the fluffy brush out. Like, I ended up doing, like, a blended blush moment. Like, it was such a good fun look. I had so much fun. But honestly, y'all, my best tip for blending is just keep blending. Like, that's all I do. And then we're taking Crimson Eclipse, which, I mean, you can see that shine. We're taking the NYX glitter primer, and we're doing like almost a half cut crease. We're just kind of cutting the crease above where my crease is because I don't want transfer. And then I'm just blending it into the darkish shade, and then I'm going to take Crimson Eclipse and put that on my lid and literally blend it into the dark shade just to give it like a multi-chrome moment. I think it turned out really, really well. It's one of the most beautiful eyeshadows I have ever seen in my life. It is insanely like pigmented, sparkly, shiny. It's everything I want in a multi-chrome, and the multi-chrome goodness is there. It's so hard to capture on video because I don't know what I'm doing, but honestly, I was able to in some instances. I then took Tidal Flare and I decided to add this to the edge of Crimson Eclipse to darken it a little and blend it furthermore into the dark matte, and I just think that this brought the look together. It made it a little bit more seamless to me. I honestly love how this look turned out. Like, you can see the multi-chrome shift there. I just think those shades are beautiful. I then went back into the Odens Hela palette and I took the multi-chrome shade from that and put that on the inner corner. As you can see, I also did add the yellow matte from the Hela palette onto my inner corner just to do something fun. For the lower lash line, I literally take the same matte shades and blend that on the lower lash line, and I didn't film that, but you can see that there. I also took the very, very dark, the darkest shimmery color, and I put that on my lower lash line as well. But yeah, it's just such a gorgeous look, and I used the pinks as blushes, and I think, like, you can see how I blended it into the blush, and it just turned out really fun. I'm happy with this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoy. I used the Milk mascara. That was my favorite one right now, and this is in natural lighting. I was literally leaving the house as soon as my makeup was done, so here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what you think. If you have any look ideas, let me know, because I definitely want to start doing more makeup tutorials. Please make sure you go follow my Instagram, Makeup by TASHA XO. I post there as often as I can. Go follow my TikTok as well under the same name, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.